Hi there, welcome to Hisably. In this tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to add a new user to your existing store. First, you want to click on Settings on the left sidebar panel. After clicking on Settings, you'll be brought to the Settings main page, and then you want to find the User tab. From here, we can simply add a new user, which means that you are adding a brand new user to your existing store. Then we just fill it out accordingly. Temporary password. By default, Hisably makes this 12345, but you can make it anything else that you'd like. When this user, Tom Smith, signs in for the first time, he will be prompted to change his temporary password and recreate a new one. Then we can put in his phone number. Now we can select different types of roles for Tom. Tom is a manager. Managers have full access to the current store that they're assigned to. The difference between an admin and a manager is that admins also have full access to the current store, but also they can manage other stores, so they have multi-store management access, while managers only have single store. And lastly, counter employee. These counter employees, they have very limited access throughout Hisably. They won't be able to see crucial data, and they won't be able to delete certain things throughout the system. And lastly, they won't be able to see the cash to account for and the overshort for the evening or after their shift. They'll only be able to add particular data, so then managers and admins can see how that figures into their overall daily accounting. So we'll select Tom as a manager, and then we just create a new user. Now we can see Tom Smith's login is right here. We can also edit this information at any time if we need to, and that also includes the type of role that we're moving Tom into. The only thing that we cannot change for Tom is his email address. But for some reason, if Tom no longer works with us, we can simply deactivate his profile. Next, this button here, assigning an existing Hisably user as an owner to your account. So, this is my demo store. If I click on this one, and now I'm trying to give another Hisably user access to this demo store, right? So, for instance, if I have a business partner and he already has a store or more with his own email address, now I can add his email address here, and my demo store will show up under his account. And then you just save. After adding an existing user as an owner, now you will have one more admin in your manage users list, and the new admin will see your store in his list right over here. When he or she logs in, they will actually see the new stores for which they were added as an existing owner. And that's it. That's how you add an existing owner and a new user to your Hisably page.